Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to find out the status of the Citrix Cloud services using Citrix Cloud Status Console. Let's say if you are subscribed to any of these services in your production environment, okay, all the infrastructure servers that are maintained by Citrix, okay, in the Citrix cloud, I'm talking about not the on-premise environment or resource location, all the components or the infrastructure servers that are maintained by Citrix cloud at any point in time, if some service has gone down or if some service is not working as expected, okay, and as a customer, if you want to know what is actually happening in the Citrix cloud environment, you can you can monitor it closely using Citrix Cloud Status Console. So if you go to status.cloud.com, you will see the status of all the Citrix related services. Okay, these are all the services. So if you see here on the dashboard, you can see the services that are up, the services that are affected, and the services that are down. So let's say you have some issues with Citrix Analytics service. You are subscribed to Citrix Analytics service, and all of a sudden it stopped working. It is not working as expected. Okay, from your end in your infrastructure, everything is working fine in your on-prem environment or in your resource location. Now you would like to find out if there is some maintenance activity happening in the Citrix cloud. In that case, what you can do is you can go to status.cloud.com to find out if there is some maintenance activity happening in the Citrix cloud. Okay, so, or if some service has gone down, if some service is down, it is also going to reflect it here. So this Citrix Health dashboard will actually help you to find out how many services are up, how many services are up, how many services are affected, and how many services are down. Okay, so let me scroll down. So if you see here, these are all these services: Analytics, App Builder, Application Delivery Management, Citrix App Delivery and Security Service, Desktop as a Service, Endpoint Management. So everything is in green state. Let's say you are from European region. Okay. Now all of a sudden Analytics service is not working in your location. So you can go to this site and you can find out whether it is green or whether it is yellow or whether it is red. If it is red, it means that there is some service disruption. If it is yellow, it means that there is some performance issue. And if it is green, it means that the service is operating normally. So at any point in time, if some service is not working as expected in your environment, the very first thing that you can do is, if your on-prem or your resource location is working fine, what you can do is you can go to status.cloud.com to find out if there is some problem in the Citrix cloud environment. Okay, so based upon the color here, you can find out if there is some maintenance activity happening, or if there is any performance issue, or if there is any service disruption. Okay, so if you see a red color mark right next to the service, it means that the service is down. Now you need to monitor the service closely. You need to monitor the status closely to find out whether the issue is fixed or not. Okay, whether the issue is fixed or not. So these are some important things that you can do in your Citrix environment as a Citrix administrator. Okay, so if you see here, you see planned here, you see planned. So these are all the maintenance activities that are going to happen. So Citrix is going to give a report already. It is clearly, Citrix is already saying that on 22nd of June, so and so time, we are going to do a maintenance activity in US region. So if you are from US region and on 22nd of June, if something is not working, I mean, if Citrix Analytics service is not working, then you should not be surprised, because Citrix has already sent prior information. Citrix has already informed you that there is some maintenance activity. So if you click on it, let me click on this. If you click on it, it is going to give more details. During this time, the US users may experience issues while using Citrix Analytics of up to 12 minutes. Users may experience delays in event processing during maintenance window. Okay, and also micro apps and integrations. During this time, US users will be able to access and use the environments delivered through Citrix cloud services without service interruption. Users may experience delays in notifications sent to intelligent workspace of up to 12 minutes. So it is giving all the details quite clearly here. So these are all the services that will be affected, and this is the time. This is the time. So let me go back. Let me check another service. Okay. Okay. So let me scroll down a little bit. Okay. So these are all the platform services, and so you can find out for all the region: Asia Pacific, Europe, Japan, US Gov. So it depends upon your region. You can monitor it closely. Okay. So green means services operating normally. Performance is issue means if it is yellow, and if it is red it means service disruption. Okay. So you can check all these details like this. You can check all the details like this. So if you see here, okay, let me do one thing. Let me go to calendar. Let me go to calendar. If you see here, on 4th of June, okay, today is 20th of June. On 4th of June, there was some critical disruption, service disruption. So you see the red color here. Let me click on it. Okay, let us find out what actually happened on that day. Okay, on 4th of June, application delivery management service was undergoing a maintenance activity. Customers were not able to log into ADM service nor use any functionality of the service during the maintenance window. So it was clearly informed. It was clearly informed that this particular service will be under maintenance. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, now if you see, today is 20th. Today is 20th. On 22nd, there are some planned maintenance activities on these services: Citrix analytics platform, application delivery management, analytics, micro apps and integration, analytics. So as a Citrix administrator, all of a sudden if you notice that something is not working as expected, and if you feel that there is some kind of outage on any of the services that you are subscribed to, so the very first thing that you need to do is come to this website, visit this website and find out what is actually happening in the Citrix cloud environment, and this will be very useful for troubleshooting purpose. Okay, you need to bookmark it and monitor it closely. All right. So this is all about Citrix cloud status console. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.